Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Lego Ford GT. First, we'll gather the specific parts needed for this modification. Then, I'll guide you through carefully disassembling key sections of the car. We'll then modify the suspension components to achieve that sleek, lowered look. Finally, we'll reassemble your custom model, ensuring everything is secure and ready to display. Let's begin by carefully disassembling your Lego Ford GT. Start by gently removing the wheels and their axle assemblies. Next, detach the lower chassis plates from the main body of the car. This will expose the suspension components we need to modify. Remember to keep all your small pieces organized to make reassembly much easier later on. Now for the exciting part, modifying the suspension. You'll want to replace any existing suspension bricks with shorter alternatives, perhaps by 1 or 2 studs. Adjust the connection points to achieve your desired lower ride height. You might also consider using slightly smaller tires or different wheel hubs for an even more dramatic effect. Test the new suspension for stability. With your modifications complete, it's time to reassemble your Lego Ford GT. Carefully reattach the modified chassis sections, making sure all connections are secure and stable. Double-check that the wheels spin freely without any rubbing against the bodywork. Take a moment to admire your customized, lowered Lego Ford GT. It's ready to hit the display shelf.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.